Hey, it's Brian, and I am here to help you with one of the biggest problems you will ever come across as an acoustic guitarist. Losing your pick inside the guitar. Isn't that frustrating? You're playing along, everything's going well, and then it goes right inside the guitar. You can't get it out. Oh my God, it drives you crazy. You start picking the thing up, waving it around, banging furniture and bonking your neighbors over. So I've got a way to do it very quickly and very easily. First, you need a few things. You need an acoustic guitar. You also need a pick. And of course, the guitar pick is going to get lost inside of the guitar. Oh no. So it's in there somewhere. You look for it, you can, right? But the way to know where it is exactly is like this. You hold the guitar up. You hear that? Like a sign. Now you know where the pick is. It's down in here. It's either here or here. Might be in the center on the heel block, which is a piece of wood that sticks inside of it, like about right there. But probably not. It's probably here or there. Now, I like it over here. So I'm going to put it over there by turning the guitar in like a little Ferris wheel circle thing. And it's over here. If you prefer it over there, just do the circle the other way. There it is. But I don't like it that way. So now I have it over here, I think. Pretty sure. Then you take it very, very slowly right over your head. And now you know where the pick is. It is right there. So the next thing is to just hop it over. You just move your guitar in this kind of way, up and in an arc. And the guitar will come, the pick will come magically flying out of the hole. Can you see it? Ta-da! Can I catch it? Nope. So that's how you do it. That's how you get a guitar pick out of an acoustic guitar. If you like tips like this and you're having trouble with getting your fingers in the right position, you're like, people say play with your fingertips, and you're like, where are they? Just check the description below. You will see a link there to a free PDF that shows you, it's an exercise that shows you right how to do it, how to get perfect finger position in 10 seconds. So, see you next time.